Hi guys, welcome to yet another exciting product launch by Xiaomi. Today, we're going to finally unveil what's there in this mystery box. And I'm personally super excited because this is a product which has been designed for India. So yes, this means that this product category does not exist in the Xiaomi ecosystem in any other part of the world. So are you guys excited? Oh wow, it's the all-new Mi Beard Trimmer. I don't think I'm the right person to talk about this, but I think I know just the right people. Perfect. Let's do this.
My beard is my prized possession. And the best beard deserves the best grooming. And that's why the Mi Beard Trimmer is just perfect. It comes with ultra-precise self-sharpening stainless steel blades. That's right, self-sharpening. Now that's smart. Also, its 20 settings dial with 2 different combs gives you 40 length settings and 1 fantastic beard. Or any number of fantastic beards.
Hey. I'm a busy guy. The meetings, the dates, chilling with the bros, I make time for it all. All thanks to the Mi Beard Trimmer. बस 5 मिनट की चार्जिंग और सुबह की ट्रिमिंग sorted. और अगर बैटरी full है, तो it lasts even longer than a week. But if you're not into math, just plug in the USB charger for unlimited use. And if you're traveling, just put it into travel mode to save battery.
You think that's impressive? Breaking a coconut with your bare hands, that's impressive. Bending an iron rod with your teeth, that's impressive. Dipping the Mi Beard Trimmer in a bowl of Amazon rainwater, then cleaning it under a running tap and still being able to use it as smoothly as ever. Now that's really impressive.
Looking good, brother. Hello there. Looking this good isn't easy, but the Mi Beard Trimmer makes it easy. With its premium quad-edge design, exceptional hand feel, and solid grip, ये आपके हाथों से कभी नहीं गिरेगा. And it is bound to make you look amazing. About as amazing as it looks itself. Or at least as amazing as these guys.
That was great. Thank you so much, guys. So that's the all-new Mi Beard Trimmer for you guys. It comes with 40 length settings, ultra-precise self-sharpening blades. It has an amazingly long battery life, IPX7 waterproof body, and a quad-edge design, which gives it a very premium feel. And all these features are being launched at an honest price of rupees 1,199 only. So what are you waiting for? Go and grab your Mi Beard Trimmer right now. See you soon.
Xiaomi.